Show me my daughter. Show me my daughter. Jamani, shule. Please kwa wapi? Eu não tenho filho. Eu não vou mais do que isso. All the stuff. It's not needed. It's not needed. Since morning. Please. Give me a break. Let me check whether my daughter is among the dead. Excuse me, madam. Just tell me my daughter is among the dead. I'm a COVID hospital. Period. Stop lecturing me. I don't want stories. To answer, tell me where daughter is A or B. Period. Stop telling me stories. Don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I want one answer. Your daughter is A or B. I don't care. Stop giving me about kahaba. What are they telling us? The old school. No information. Keeping us in darkness. I have one. I'm going to tell me why it's going to be video. I don't care. Tell me where it's sharing your babies, please. This one end of the future. I'm asking you, where is my daughter? I think we are here. Since morning, which hospital? Which hospital I go there to look my daughter? Tell me which hospital. Which hospital? Why did you get in darkness? Why you never tell
kwa mtoto wake hapo.
Tell me where my daughter is. Yes. Come and share the neck of one. Tell me where my daughter is. Yes. Tell me where my daughter is.
Mwambie mtoto yangu hali yake kwa hiyo. Unajua ni afadhali ajue hali yake kuliko kuleta kwa watu.
You should tell me where my daughter is. This morning I'm here. They are not telling me where my daughter is.
Fanya hivi. Mungeenda na hawa. Unasema enda na huyu. Enda na huyu mwambie. Enda tumwambie. Nasema ende tumwambie.
Tell me here where my daughter is among the dead.
Ndio ndugu gani wewe? Chukua ni sababu.
Tell me where my
Counseling that is taking place in the classrooms. Kindly, parents, allow them. We have enough counselors, one per every class. They talk to the children first. Kindly allow them that opportunity.
Hello, parents. We are so sorry for what is happening. I know you want to meet your children, and kindly mturuhusu kwanza watoto waingie kwa darasa. Wakishaingia, we are going to address the parents on this parade. Vile tutawaambia juu kila mzazi anajua penye mtoto klasi yako. Okay. Tutawauliza kama ni mtoto form 3, form 2, form 4, we will guide you kwa kila class utaenda. Counselors that are here na madaktari wako hapa, and you are hearing me, kindly identify those classes with the class teacher. Get in before the parents get in. So wazazi mkuwe tu patient tafadhali, na tunataka tuwapatia watoto, lakini they have to be accounted by the class teacher. So allow them to get to class first, and then we are going to give you a chance muende in ili mukaweze kupiki watoto. Mturuhusu tu kwanza watoto waingie kwa darasa, alafu wazazi tubaki hapa parade, kisha tuingie pale ndani. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, we need to be organized. Sababu we have to account for every child. Tunataka to account for every student. So kindly bear with us. We need to account for your child. Ni mtoto wako na ni mtoto wetu. So as much as you want to pick that child, we want also to account for them because you trusted us with your child. So tafadhali, mturuhusu kwanza watoto waingie kwa class teachers, they will take their role. Na najua counselors who are hearing me, kindly get in to those classes to support the class teachers, and then from there, we are going to request the parents to join their children in classes for accountability. We don't want to miss any child. Na tafadhali mzazi asitoke kwa geti na mtoto. Watoto wote waingie kwa darasa zao, kwa sababu we will need to address you. Now we need to support you. Tuko pamoja. On behalf of the doctors on ground, kindly, we want you to bring under management of this institution. We want to bring this in order. Tunaleta hii kwa sababu ni vizuri tuwe na mpangilio. Na kama kuna mzazi maybe akona sitofahamu, utaona our doctors and counselors wako na hizi badges, wako pia na sticker imeandikwa counselor na jina. Enda kwake atakuelekeza. Kama uko na swali lolote, enda kwake. Number 2, kama pengine unasikia hauko sawa, we have 2 tents hapa nyuma. Tuko na tent ya Red Cross. Go there, we have our paramedics there, they will support you, and we have counselors on ground. The management of this school and the government has supported us. We should not sabotage what they are doing. So kindly be patient to account your children in the class, and then after that, we are going to bring you to pick your children. So tafadhali wazazi, just be patient with us because we need to handle this as it is. And we apologize for the inconvenience caused, and because this has got us of us. Hii ni disaster, kuna mtu amepanga. Tuelewe tu ili tukaweze kuwa na protocol na tuweze kuwa na mpango mzuri. Thank you so much for understanding us, and thank you principal for all.
Walimu tafadhali muingie darasani. Those students outside there, it means the class teacher is not there. Yeah? From 3 blue, I can see students outside. Come on, grade 10, red. Can we get in? Where are the class teachers? Please, class teachers, get to your classes. We don't want to see the children on the corridors, please.
in classes, kindly join us here so that we can support the parents to pick their children right away. Counselors, naomba wenye wananisikiza kujeni hapa kwa assembly. Counselors wenye wako hapa, psychologists, kindly come here on the assembly so that we support these parents to pick their children. Naomba counselors wenye wako tafadhali, kindly come here. If you are a counselor, kindly come. If you are hearing my voice, that is, and you are not engaged. Now, we have our officers. How many? Make sure you have a badge. Every counselor mwenye ananisikiza tafadhali, if you are part of our team, kindly come. Counselors that are part of the team. Now, we want to go two of us in every class. So for those who are here, we are Afande Asante for coming. We are already around 10. I know some are coming. Kindly come. Madam Teresia is our county director for psychosocial support, county government of Nakuru. She's here. Any other? Mr. Wame is here. He's the director for Red Cross. Where are the others? I'm from Kenya Counselors and Psychologists Association, Nakuru County. So we are going to divide. These are team leaders. Kindly let us go two of us. Yes. Oh, okay. If it's possible, go to every class one, ili mfanye briefing na pick parents and attend to them. So I think we can be released. We can begin from this building, alafu tuingie. Kila class ikuwe na at least a counselor. Can we do that very fast so that we can support also the parents?